The VEPG4 is a powerful radio over IP gateway that functions as a bridge to interconnect various devices on a radio network. The VEPG4 allows organizations to interconnect different communication systems without limitations imposed by distance, security, or technology. Types of connections that can be made through the VEPG4 include analog radio, IP radio systems, LTE radio systems, digital IDAS radio sites, satellite PTT radio, SIP digital telephone switch, IP phones, PA systems, and you can even integrate other manufacturers' equipment as well. Additionally, the VEPG4 can also be used as a controller for the IP Advanced Radio System, controlling up to 50 handsets and a remote communicator. The VEPG4 is an excellent application for a company that requires local, medium, and long-range wide area coverage for their company needs. So you could use the IC SAT100 satellite PTT radio for global coverage, LTE radio for nationwide coverage, and PMR or digital system locally, all connected with the VEPG4. You can link them together seamlessly, 3 different technologies, 3 different talk groups via the VEPG4. The number of possible applications that this unit could offer is limitless.